Hi everybody, welcome to the Your Ideal Week workshop. The aim of the workshop is to help you maximise your productivity and your lifestyle freedom. Yes, you can have both. How do we do that? Well, what we do is we plan your ideal week. Not the week you've got now, but the week that you actually want to have. Why? Why do we want to do that? Well, we want to prevent overcommitment. We want to help you address poor prioritization, helping you to do the things that really matter. And we want to help you with ineffective time management. The aim is to give you better control over your time at work and give you more time in life outside work. What's the benefits of this approach? Well, the benefit really is, one of the benefits is to streamline and delegate your work. In other words, to improve your productivity and efficiency. But I've got a slightly different take on productivity. We want to have effective planning to focus on what really matters to you. And we want to have robust time management skills. Why? Well, it's robust time management that enables us to have a more balanced, a more harmonious life. So, if you're ready to take better control over your time and harmonise your work and your life, get a bit more balance, then comment control below or click the link and we'll get you registered for the workshop. Love to see you there. Thank you.